Welcome to Phonics for Preschool Children. Today we are going to learn a new sound. I wonder if you can tell me which sound you are learning today. I will hold up some objects and I want you to tell me what you see. So we have a rabbit, a ring, and a reindeer. Can you tell me which sound all of these objects start with? Rabbit, ring, reindeer. That's right, they start with the sound. For rabbit. Can you say Can you say to the ceiling? Can you say to the floor? And can you say to Tabitha, the listening bear? Let's play our flashcard game where I either show you a and you say or I show you a rabbit and you say rabbit. Rabbit, rabbit. Fantastic. Let's look at how we write the sound. Start at the top, we go down, we keep our finger on the card, back up and over. Let's try with our magic fingers in the air. Start at the top, down, back up and over. Let's do it one more time. Start at the top, down, back up and over. Let's do some sorting and get the toys back to the right dragons. The green dragon has lost things starting with the sound, and the red dragon has lost things starting with the sound. So I'll hold up some objects, then I want you to tell me if they begin with an or a and then I'll know which dragon to give the objects back to. Okay, let's see what's in the bag. Ooh, my first object is an elf. Elf. Yes, it starts with an doesn't it? So that's for the red dragon. My next one is a rhinoceros. Yes, that starts with a so that's for the green dragon. Elephant. That's right, it starts with the sound, doesn't it? And last of all, rabbit. Did you hear the in rabbit? Yes? So that's for the green dragon. Shall we see how many sounds you can remember? Are you going to tell the dragons? Go. Kicking. Off. Curly. Fantastic. And now some things for you to try at home. You could get a seed tray and put in some sand or maybe some soil or even flower, and you could hide some magnetic letters in the seed tray. You can challenge your child to find the letters and to sort them according to their sound. So I could put all my U's in this one, A's in that one, another I have a Do you get the idea? So it's a simple sorting activity, but checking that they recognise the different letters. You may also want to get a paintbrush or use a finger to practice writing sounds in the sand. That's a nice activity. Or you may want to make a simple pairs game where you put some sounds on some pieces of card and you take it in turns, turn over 2 cards at a time, seeing if they match. Well, sadly, we've reached the end of today's learning, but if you found this useful in any way, then please would you subscribe to my channel. It's really helpful. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye bye.